good day everyone! Good morning! And this is my first vlog. So, itong vlog na to ay para sa lahat. Charot! So, ayun na nga. May friend ako nag-ask sa akin. So, ako naman, sasagutin natin yan ngayon. So, my friend asked me that what is the RA 9344 and the Juvenile Delinquency Act and Prevention Act from United States of America. So, ngayon, aalamin natin yan kung ano nga ba yung pinagkaiba at pinagkapareho nitong dalawang juvenile na to. So, yun. Let's watch this! What is RA 9344 or Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006? Republic Act No. 9344, an act establishing a comprehensive juvenile justice and welfare system, creating the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Council under the Department of Justice, appropriating funds therefore and for other purposes. The Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act is a child protection measure. Children in conflict with the law and children at risk are victims of circumstances beyond their control. They are victims of abuse of dysfunctional families and insensitive communities. What is Juvenile Delinquency and Prevention Act from United States of America? The Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention Act of 1974, Public Law 93415, as amended, established the Office of Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention to support local and state efforts to prevent delinquency and improve juvenile justice systems. A component of the Office of Justice programs within the U.S. Department of Justice works to prevent and respond to youth delinquency and protect children. Through its divisions, OJJDP sponsors research, program, and training initiatives, develops priorities and goals, and sets policies to guide federal juvenile justice issues, disseminates information about juvenile justice issues, and awards funds to states to support local programming. Hello guys! So tapos na natin i-discuss ang RA 9344 and also the Juvenile Delinquency and Prevention Act ng United States of America. So ngayon, magbibigay tayo ng similarities and differences between them. Let's watch this. Similarities and differences between RA 9344 and the Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention Act. This response will be explore the similarities and differences between Republic Act 9344, the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006 in the Philippines, and the Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention Act in the United States. Both laws aim to establish a comprehensive system for addressing juvenile delinquency and promoting the well-being of children involved with the justice system. Similarities: focus on child welfare, diversion and alternatives to detention, international standards, council and office for coordination. Differences: age of criminal responsibility, sight and sound separation, status offenses, racial and ethnic disparities, jail removal, enforcement mechanism. While RA 9344 and the JJDPA share a common goal of protecting children and promoting their well-being within the justice system, they differ in their specific provisions and enforcement mechanisms. The JJDPA takes a more centralized approach with federal funding and specific requirements for states, while RA 9344 relies on national legislation and coordinating council. Both laws highlight the importance of diversion programs, restorative justice principles, and upholding international standards for child protection. Further research could explore the effectiveness of these laws in achieving their objectives and the potential for cross-cultural learning and exchange of best practices between the Philippines and the United States. So guys, guys, natutunan na natin ang similarities and differences between them. So, hoping ako na may natutunan kayo dito sa video na to. So, this is the end of my vlog. See ya! Bye!